The Texas House approved an amendment to a bill allowing Governor Greg Abbott to ban people from certain countries and affiliated organizations from buying land in the Lone Star State. The amendment expands the governor's ability to decide which nation's residents, governments, businesses, and groups are barred from purchasing real estate in the state. Previously, the bill only gave Governor Abbott the power to block land purchases from countries listed by the U.S. Director of National Intelligence as national security threats. Those only include China, Iran, North Korea, and Russia. The change expands the governor's authority, allowing him to block land purchases from any country he considers a threat to the state's security. Republicans say it gives Abbott the needed ability to act quickly to stop hostile countries from land grabs, while Democrats argue it gives the governor too much power. The legislation bans land purchases based on a person's national residence instead of their country of origin in a move meant to comply with federal civil rights laws against discrimination. The bill restrictions do not apply to American citizens or permanent residents. The latest amendment also allows Abbott to include transnational criminal organizations. As the Republican who introduced the amendment noted, this includes the Venezuelan gang Tren de Aragua. Immigrant advocates tell ABC 13 they fear the amendment and bill will open the door for discrimination.
So all this will also bring more anti-Asian hate crime and reinforce existing social biases, particularly against the Chinese community.
They're also concerned it may hurt Texas's economy too.
Texas was really has a long pride itself on the business-friendly environment that encourage innovate and competition. Now the SB 17 has a negative impact on the Texas economy.
Supporters of the amendment and bill disagree, as one political analyst who worked with Republicans on the legislation tells ABC 13 there's no evidence it will lead to discrimination. Rather, he says it enhances safety.
We've certainly seen some members of the legislature make allegations that the bill is discriminatory or could lead to racial profiling or discrimination. Again, we've not seen any evidence of that. Texas wants to ensure the security and the sovereignty of Texas land to prevent ownership of Texas land by hostile foreign entities, especially those who come from foreign countries that have hostile intent towards the United States.
The bill is expected to undergo further revisions and is likely to see legal challenges from immigrant advocacy groups if it becomes law. If the legislation does pass, it would take effect on September 1st. For more on this story, download the Straight Arrow News app or visit SAN.com. For Straight Arrow News, I'm Kaylee Carey.